Hello, welcome to 5-Minute Lessons. This is Victor. This lesson will allow the learners to know the basics of Webex meetings, specifically how to do the following tasks. Start an instant meeting and invite attendees, chat to everyone and an individual, share screen, record a meeting, mute, instant chat and expel participants, lock the meeting, and leave the meeting. Now, how do we start an instant meeting in Webex? Go to webex.com. On the right side, click Sign In. Then choose Webex Meetings. Enter your email address and then the password. Select Home in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click the Start a Meeting drop-down arrow, then select Use Desktop App. Click the Start a Meeting button. After that, select Open Cisco Webex Meeting button. Wait for the Webex desktop app to open. Here, you may unmute or show the video. Click the Start Meeting button. To add participants, click the three-dot button, then select Invite and Remind. Enter the email addresses that you would like to invite. Use commas as separators of email addresses that you will invite. Here, we see that the invitation was sent successfully. Now, you can inform your participants to join the meeting by going to the link on the email they will receive from Webex. Now, how do we chat in Webex Meeting? On the menu at the bottom of the Webex desktop app, select Chat button. To chat to an individual, click the name of the participant in the To drop-down. So let's say I will chat participant 1. Here, I can enter the message that I would like to send to that participant. To chat with the whole group, select Everyone in the To drop-down. So let's say I would like to publicly send a message to all the participants. So I just simply type in that here. Now, how do we share screen in Webex Meeting? On the menu at the bottom of the desktop app, select Share Content. On the new window that appears, select which one you would like to share. Options are the entire screen, file, whiteboard, or specific tab and application. So for this demonstration, let's say we would like to share the screen. While sharing the screen, you can annotate and record. Once done sharing, you can click the Stop Sharing button. Now, how do we record a meeting? On the menu at the bottom of the desktop app, click Recorder. Choose Record on My Computer or Record in Cloud. For this demonstration, I will select Record on My Computer. Click Record button. Then select a destination where the recording will be saved. You can also change its name. Select Pause button to pause or Stop button to end the recording. Now, how do we mute or remove participant? On the menu at the bottom of the desktop app, select Participants. Hover to the participant's name. Select Unmute if you want to unmute the participant. To chat the participant instantly, click the chat button. Right-click to show additional options such as change role, like making the participant a presenter or a host. You can also allow the participant to annotate. You can move the participant to lobby or expel him. Now, how do we lock the meeting? On the menu at the bottom of the desktop app, click the three-dot button, then select Lock Meeting. You see now a notification here that the meeting is locked. Now, how do we leave the meeting? Click End or Leave Meeting button. Select End Meeting option to end the meeting for all the participants, or you can click Leave Meeting to assign a participant to become the new host. And that ends our lesson about Webex Meetings basics. Thank you for watching.